There was a boy named Rowan who always thought that things in life came easily. He believed he didn't need to work hard because someone else would always help him. One day, Rowan went to a park with his friend Ollie. They saw an ice cream vendor. Rowan said, "I wish I could have free ice cream." Ollie smiled and replied, "Rowan, nothing in life is free. Someone always works hard to make things happen." Rowan didn't understand and asked, "Why do you say that?" Ollie explained, "The ice cream vendor has to wake up early, buy ingredients, make the ice cream, and sell it. He works hard to earn money."
Later that day, Rowan went home and told his mother, "Ollie says nothing is free. Is that true?" His mother smiled and said, "Yes, it is true. Look at this meal we are eating. I cooked it, and your father worked to buy the groceries. Everything you enjoy comes from someone's effort."
Rowan started thinking about it. The next day at school, his teacher asked the class, "Who likes the playground?" Everyone raised their hands. The teacher said, "Do you know? Someone cleans and maintains the playground for you to enjoy it. Even your education is not free. The government or your parents work hard to pay for it." Rowan was surprised. He realized how many people work to make his life comfortable. He thought about his father working late hours and his mother taking care of the house. One evening, Rowan decided to help his mother in the kitchen. He washed vegetables and cleaned the table. His mother smiled and said, "Why are you helping today?" Rowan replied, "I want to do my part. I've learned that nothing is free. I should work too." From that day, Rowan started being more responsible. He completed his homework on time, helped with chores, and even saved his pocket money to buy his favorite toys instead of asking his parents. One weekend, Rowan and Ollie went to a shop to buy stationery. Rowan saw a sign that said, "Buy one, get one free." He laughed and said, "Ollie, look. This says free, but you were wrong." Ollie smiled and replied, "Even here, the shopkeeper includes the cost of the second item in the price of the first. Nothing is truly free." Rowan realized Ollie was right. Whether it is money, time, or effort, everything has a cost. This idea changed Rohan's life. He became grateful for what he had and worked hard for what he wanted. He learned that when you understand the value of effort, Rowan continued to reflect on the idea that nothing is free. One day, his grandfather shared a story with him. Grandfather said, "When I was young, I wanted to buy a bicycle. My father told me I could have it if I earned half the money myself. At first, I was upset. I thought, why doesn't he just buy it for me? But then I started working after school, helping a shopkeeper. It was hard work, but I saved my money little by little. When I finally bought the bicycle, it felt so special. I learned that when you work for something, you value it more." This story inspired Rowan. He thought, if grandfather worked so hard for a bicycle, I should also try to earn what I want instead of expecting it to be handed to me. At school, Rowan noticed that his classmates who studied regularly got good grades. Meanwhile, he had been relying on last-minute help from friends to complete his assignments. He thought, even success in school isn't free. It takes time and effort. From that day, Rowan started studying every evening. Slowly, his grades improved, and he felt proud of his progress. One day, Rohan's teacher announced a community project. The students had to clean up the local park and plant trees. Rowan and his friends worked hard all day, picking up trash and digging holes for the trees. When the work was done, the park looked beautiful. the teacher said. This park will now be a place for everyone to enjoy, but remember, it only became this way because of your hard work. Rowan felt a deep sense of satisfaction. He thought, when we work for something, we not only improve our own lives but also help others. Later, Rohan's little sister asked him for help with her school project. At first, Rowan was busy, but then he remembered how others had always helped him. He decided to help her and said, if you work hard and try your best, your project will be great. As time went on, Rowan became known as a responsible and hard-working boy. His father once said, I'm proud of you, Rowan. You've learned that everything worth having requires effort. This lesson will take you far in life. Rowan also began to share this message with others. He told his friends, when you understand that nothing is free, you stop taking things for granted. You work harder, respect others' efforts, and appreciate what you have. This lesson stayed with Rowan throughout his life, whether it was at school, work, or home. He always gave his best. He knew that success, happiness, and even love required time, dedication, and effort. His story became a reminder to everyone. Everything has a price, be it effort, time, or kindness. When we understand this, we live with more gratitude and purpose. As Rowan grew older, the lesson that nothing is free shaped the way he approached life. He began to notice how this principle applied to everything around him. One day, while walking to the market, Rowan saw an old man selling handmade baskets. The man looked tired but kept working hard to attract customers. Rowan stopped and asked, why don't you take a break, uncle? The old man smiled and said, son, if I don't work, I can't earn money to buy food for my family. Every piece of bread we eat comes from effort. This touched Rohan's heart. He realized how important it was to respect the efforts of others. He bought a basket from the man, not because he needed it, but to support his hard work. Another time, Rowan and his friends decided to play a cricket match. They had to clean the playground and set up everything before they could start. Some of his friends complained, saying, why should we do all this work? Let's just play. Rowan replied, if we don't prepare the ground, how can we enjoy the game? Even fun requires effort. The friends agreed and worked together. In the end, they had a great match and felt proud of their teamwork. At home, Rowan began to notice his parents' sacrifices. His father worked long hours to provide for the family, and his mother managed the house tirelessly. Rowan decided to help out more. He started washing dishes after dinner, cleaning his room, and even helping his younger sister with her studies. His mother said, Rowan, your help means so much to us. You are learning to be responsible. One day, Rohan's school organized a science fair. Rowan wanted to build a model of a solar-powered car. The project seemed difficult, and he thought about giving up. But then he remembered his grandfather's story about the bicycle and his own experiences of working hard. He said to himself, if I want this to be successful, I have to put in the effort. For weeks, Rowan worked on his project, researching, building, and testing. On the day of the fair, his model was a big success, and he won first prize. When his teacher asked how he managed to do it, Rowan replied, I realized that success is never free. You have to invest your time and effort. Over time, Rowan became a role model for his friends and family. He always reminded them, even the smallest things, like the food we eat or the clothes we wear, come from someone's hard work. We should never waste them or take them for granted. Rohan's story teaches a timeless truth. Nothing in life comes without effort, whether it's education, happiness, or success. Everything requires work. When we respect time, effort, and the work of others, we live a more meaningful and grateful life.